Hi.
Hello.
Brian and Michelle here. It's been
too long. Way too long.
4 months. Yeah. And we're going to do an update. It's probably going to be a good 25, 30 minutes.
I'd say 2-3
Go,
hours.
you know what? Pause this, go to the bathroom and come back. There. Yeah. That'd be a good idea, right?
Yeah.
I think I need something to drink.
Yeah, I made my coffee drink in there. You can have some of my coffee drink if you want. Taste it and see if you like it.
No. I have to get up at 3 o'clock. Can't do that. I have to be at work at 3. Okay. Hi, welcome.
Sorry.
Hi, welcome to our channel. Loaded Up and Traveling is going nowhere right now. My name is Michelle. This is Brian. We have been married almost 26 years. We have a 16-year-old daughter, and we are in the smack dab in the middle of our 2-year journey of selling everything, purging everything, throwing things away, then selling the house. We're buying an RV first, then selling the house, then buying a truck. All those things, life decisions.
Yep.
In the midst of all of that, the world went crazy. So we're just going to update you guys on what we're doing, because it's been about 4 months, I think, since we've done an RV, since we've done a video. So yeah. We're sitting here in our backyard and enjoying it because the grass is mowed. But let me tell you, that's something I'm not going to miss, is mowing the grass.
I will. I like mowing the grass.
Honey, you're messing up my whole thing.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't want to mow the grass.
You don't have to. I did.
Okay. I have mowed the grass, though.
She does. She has. When she has to, she does it.
Let's talk about jobs. All right, jobs-wise. I did a video in May, and at that time, Brian was home. His company was paying him a lower part of his income, but he was home, and I had just started working at UPS. So I am still working at UPS. I am loading 24-foot trucks, and I work in the middle of the night. And Brian, tell him what you're doing. Go ahead.
I'm still truck driving for the same company, and they have a heavy haul division, a crane division, and then what I'm under is the logistics division. But the logistics right now, fracking has slowed down, so we're at the moment not doing that, and so I'm helping with the crane and the heavy haul.
Where are you at?
I've been in Iowa, I've been in Missouri, I've been in Kansas, I've been in Oklahoma and Texas.
So he used to be in...
mainly Texas.
There's a huge bird's nest right there.
Oh, there is. Didn't see that.
He used to be in Texas all the time, but he was gone 6 to 9 weeks at a time. This change is same amount or more income, and he is in other states, but he's home right around every 3 weeks. So that's much better, obviously much better. So with those 2 jobs that we've maintained through the craziness in this world, we have been able to pay off quite a lot of debt.
Yeah, we're doing really good.
So I haven't done a financial summary in a long time, longer than an update video, and I apologize, peoples. Thank you for following us and for even subscribing. Oh yeah, gotta say that.
Oh yeah.
Click subscribe. We are actually more entertaining than we sound.
Click the bell. I am. I don't know about her.
No, I'm more entertaining than you.
She's very entertaining.
Yeah. I can talk to anybody.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
I don't like to.
But once you get going, you're good.
I'm like one of those guys that can talk to a guy all day long because I'm working with him and walk away and have no clue what his name is.
So if y'all ever meet us out on the road, make sure that's the first thing you tell us is your name.
But hey, you.
Write it on his hand or something like that. So, but basically, where was I going?
I don't know. Where are you going?
How much money have we paid? How much debt have we paid off? Well, we've actually at the 1 year mark.
We've been really good with all this stuff that has happened. I was surprised.
Yeah, because we started with $82,000. That doesn't count the car and it doesn't count the house. We started with $82,000 in debt. That was credit cards and school loans. We're in our early 50s and we still have school loans, which is...
That's sad.
It's just sad. If you're young and watching this, take it from us. Don't get school loans. But we have paid off $36,000. $36,000 in a year.
Yeah.
And
I
didn't
feel-
even know how we were going to do 5,000.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, and I don't feel like our lifestyle has
no.
really changed all
In
that much.
fact, we're waiting
still-
on a brand new dishwasher to arrive next week. I
Yeah.
mean,
it's not like we skimmed it down to one meal a day, and
No,
we haven't
grits.
bought clothes for.
I even bought
the
a
whole
T-shirt.
year.
I'm representing the
We're
YouTube
still-
channel 5 to Go with my T-shirt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're still, maintaining somewhat of a normal life. I mean, we skimmed back on a few things, but
We haven't
we're paying
gone on a
cash
vac-
for things.
Oh, we did go on a vacation, but we went on vacation before all this stuff hit, right as
Yeah.
the world was changing its
Yeah.
tune. If y'all want to leave us comments below, you can. But we did what we did. So we actually cashed in a portion of Brian's retirement fund to pay off one of our school loans. It was our smallest one, and we just made the decision that if the money is going to be saved for us in our retirement to pay our bills, why not get rid of one of those large bills now?
Well,
And-
it's costing us more in interest than
Yes,
what
yes.
what the money sitting in there was making us. So,
Correct.
in my opinion, that's just like stupid to keep going in debt and leaving money over
Right.
here that's making you less than what you're accumulating more of debt.
And
Get
now
rid
you're
of
still working
that
for the
and-
same company, and your money,
Yeah.
you're still putting money into it.
Right. And
Yeah, it won't
got,
be as big, but still.
we cashed pretty much all of it out, but now I have up to
You have it.
several thousand back in it already. So we're
Yeah. Now
already
that's
moving
and
back
that's
up.
not. Oh, these flies. That's not going to cover like bills.
No.
But our opinion on this is, again, we don't want to carry school loans into our retirement. We're 50. Today is Brian's birthday. This video will go up the day after his birthday probably, but today is Brian's birthday, and
Happy birthday to me.
he is 54. 54.
34, she said.
54.
34.
So, yeah, we're in our early 50s and we have a teenager. So, and yes, she's not going into school loan debt. We've just already decided that.
Yeah, we'll
But,
be paying for
okay,
her
so
school.
that's the finances part of it. Every time
good.
I overwork myself at my job, I just watch a few more YouTube videos and it keeps me motivated to keep the dream alive.
Yeah.
So the second thing is...
Well, and I'm driving up into, Missouri and Iowa, and I drive past people pulling fifth wheels, travel trailers, whatever, and I just imagine, where are they going? Oh man, a year from now, that'll be me. I'll be going somewhere. I'm driving up into Iowa, and I drive past RV, sites along the highway, and I'm like, we could stay there. We could go
Yeah.
here. I drive past state parks and stuff.
He don't write any of it
the-
down, though.
That keeps the dream alive for me.
You don't write it
Yeah,
down.
she's always asking me, so did you
Yeah.
take a picture?
Did you take a picture?
Did you write it down?
No.
No, honey, but I thought about it.
Yeah. He helps put these cranes up. Like, he does the truck driving and hauls the counterweights, so he doesn't do crane work. But I'm like, show me a picture of the crane. I want to see a picture of the crane. So, okay. The second thing is, we originally were going to put our house up for sale this past spring. That did not happen. We mentioned in our last video, I will link it up right above here, that my mom's dog passed away. We were kind of waiting for that to happen. We didn't want to sell the house and send her off to an apartment with a dog that was elderly and what was that?
The big B.
But so either way, we've moved beyond that, and then we just started thinking, if I'm going to work a part-time job and Brian's gone all the time, I don't trust the RV living lifestyle yet enough to leave my daughter in an RV by herself for hours on end in a new location that we know nothing about.
Right.
We're not there yet.
If something happened to the RV, she wouldn't know what to do.
She would have no clue.
You would have to figure out what to
Right.
do.
And actually I can't take my phone into work. I'm not
Yeah,
allowed
so
to have
she
my
can't
phone
call
in
you.
work.
Yeah,
So she
so-
can't call me. So we
call
kind of
Granny,
made the
that'd be it.
decision, a serious decision, that we are going to
Wait.
stay in the house. We did refinance the house. Our mortgage went down a little bit, but we're going to stay in the house at least till next summer. But we still need to, figure out when we're going to get our RV.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to sit it in storage for a long period of time and pay that bill, right?
Yeah.
And
Hopefully we'll be able to time it just right so that we have it for maybe, 2 or 3 weeks before we have to move out of here.
Yeah.
And then we just go right into it.
And I would love to get whatever pickup truck we end up getting. I would love to get it around the same time, exactly how we want it. Maybe somebody else orders it in another state and I find it randomly at 2 a.m. in the morning while I'm looking on autotrader.com and I say, honey, we got to go.
Guess what I found at 2:30 last night?
Yeah, we have got to go get that blue Ford or that blue Dodge or that maroon, whatever. I don't want a white one. If I get a white one in the end, y'all tell me. You said, Michelle, you did not want a white one. Comment below what you would get. Don't you want something like
White
your dream truck to be your dream color?
White stays cleaner longer than black does because black
You sound
shows
like
all
my
the dirt.
mom.
No, I'm just thinking it because I had a white car. I had a white BMW.
I don't care.
I thought I'd be washing it all the time
like
because
pretty
the white
colors.
would show the dirt, but it didn't.
I like the pretty colors.
I know. I want maroon or the blue. The blue is pretty too.
Yeah. All right, so let's move on.
Yeah.
So the house is going up for sale next year. Well, we got to talk about the RV. I think we did mention it in the last video.
I have decided on the RV. Michelle keeps going back and
That's
forth.
because I spend too much time on YouTube.
Finding a new one, and this one's pretty. I mean, this is not a criticism of her. I mean, but she does. But I've just like.
Do you guys
okay,
do
that's
that?
it,
Once
I'm
you make a
done.
decision, you still keep looking at other things, making sure that you're doing the best financial choice?
And there are some other ones that are really nice, but I just think for what we want and what we're going to be doing, the one we've chosen is it for me.
All right, so that is the Grand Design 397 TH, the toy hauler, Momentum, whatever, all those names.
M-Class.
Again, my dream would be to have a full body paint job, but in the end, I would actually rather more have independent suspension on the axles for a better ride on the interior of the rig while it's going down the road, and nicer safety and all that stuff. Disc brakes. I'd rather put that
Money into that
chunk
versus
of
a paint
change
job.
into that versus a paint job. So that is what we're going to be getting. We are not betrothed to any specific dealership yet,
No.
because we are willing to drive to get it. We're going to be ordering it anyways.
Y'all have any questions? Leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them on our next session.
Yeah. So click subscribe, ring the bell, all that stuff.
'Cause we're really funny.
The thing is, everybody knows what you're supposed to do with YouTube channels, right?
Yeah.
But right now, our content is not about living full-time in an RV. It's about the choices and the decisions and the changes and all the
it's about
things that
getting
happen.
to that
Yeah,
full-time RV life.
and things do happen, and you have to find ways to motivate yourself to keep going.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, the job that I do is not really for an older woman to do. And
no, not at all.
what was that, a burp?
Well, you didn't have to point it out to everybody.
He doesn't realize that I can't cut some of that stuff out.
It's just for you.
All right, honey, I gotta go do something before we finish the video. All right?
Go ahead.
Okay. I'll be back. I'm almost done.
Okay. Gee whiz, Christmas is almost here. Where on earth is she?
All right.
Where have
Back.
you? Yeah, well, where have you been?
Well,
I just got done saying that Christmas is almost
I
here.
had to do
Where
my
are you-
hair.
Where are you at?
I had to do my hair. I realized it looked like crap. So I had to
Okay,
I had to
well.
redo it. So what have you done all this time while I was out?
Well, I got supper ready to go because
Oh,
You
the
were gone-
Blackstone.
you were gone so long. I was
should
getting
I
hungry.
should I do a montage here where I show you cooking?
Oh, you could, but
Yeah.
I gotta I gotta finish making the ingredients real quick. I
All right,
got it all
well,
out, but I didn't get the
we
stuff put together.
can go ahead and then wrap this up, right?
Sure.
And just say thank you for watching. One of the last things that we didn't, I don't know if we elaborated on. Oh, look at the size of that mosquito.
He was a big one.
Oh my gosh, he was the size of a bird. What are you looking at?
The mosquito right here above our heads.
Okay, we gotta hurry. All right.
We're hurrying. Can you imagine us camping? Oh my God, mosquito! That's it. I'm going inside.
We're filming.
I'm going inside.
Trying to get content, and the mosquitoes are crazy. We are researching schools so that Brian can become an RV technician. That's going to be our business, our income while we're out there traveling on the road. The goal is to retire from truck driving.
Yep.
And never do it again.
Yay!
For you. He's
just
been a
have
truck
to
driver.
pull around a 40-foot
Right, yeah.
house.
A 43-foot house. Yeah.
Yeah, 43
Exactly.
foot.
So
Nice.
I think that with that comes the idea of, can we be successful? Are we going to be able to make the bills? One of the big things is then our goal is to make our bills as small as possible, but also to push ourselves, right? Because we don't want to just live on the least all the time.
Right.
We would prefer to push our dreams and what it takes to succeed at those dreams in addition to living on the least. We like to do it hand in hand, not just live on the least and not really have a point to that.
Right.
Yeah. So if you've watched this far, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Our neighbor is coming out.
So we gotta talk quietly now.
And my mom is home, so the dogs want to go inside. And Brian needs to make us some hamburgers. So
On the Blackstone.
on the Blackstone
Griddle.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate everything that you do. They don't do anything for us.
They watch.
Well, that's true.
Yeah. We appreciate that.
We appreciate that. And shout out, like I said, to 5 to Go. I bought one of their t-shirts. One day we'll have t-shirts.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll have to come up with a logo or something. Loaded up and traveling. Throwing all of our stuff in an RV. That's a picture of us, right? Throwing all of our stuff in an RV. All right. Hope you guys have a great day, and hope it doesn't take us 4 months to do another video.
Hopefully not. No, I won't. We'll just make sure that we plan to do it. Next time we'll be in the car and we'll actually have coffee.
Oh, yeah.
We'll
I'm
do
not
a
going
car
to call
coffee-
it. I'm not going
car
to call
coffee
this one a
chat.
car coffee chat.
No, just an update.
An update chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do something like that. That sounds good. Y'all will appreciate that, won't you?
We sound so boring.
Boring? What do you mean? We're having fun chasing mosquitoes.
Yeah. And dyeing hair and cooking on the Blackstone and keeping the dream alive.
Yeah. Getting our bills paid off and being ready to go.
It's weird that an entire year has passed by. We have
to
less than
school
12
and-
months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting exciting. It's getting real now.
Yeah, it's getting real. Yeah,
Yeah.
this time is going to pass by really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't even seem like it's been a year.
No, I know. Wild.
So,
All right.
yeah.
Hope you guys have a great day.
Thanks for joining us.
Yes. All right. Bye.
Bye.